Welcome to latest opportunities is what publishers. This is another guide on how to become an eNaira merchant, and it is one of the ways that you can make cool income. So before we get into details of that, let me explain what the eNaira is basically all about. The eNaira is an initiative of the federal government of Nigeria, and it's actually an idea of the Central Bank of Nigeria. So it was initiated by the CBN and approved by the federal government of Nigeria. So in essence, the eNaira is a legal tender equal to the naira, the physical naira that was spent in the country, and it must be as accepted as a form of payment by all businesses and all form of businesses in the country. It is a legal tender, meaning that you can buy and sell with, you can purchase anything in the country and even all around the world with the currency. So it is a digital form of the naira currency we spend in Nigeria. That is the first point. Then the number two, the second thing I would like to note about the eNaira is that it is, like I said, it is the digital currency that will be accepted all around the world. So there won't be need for conversion, changing of currency from, value from one currency to another when you move from one country to another. So with the eNaira, it can be, used to purchase anything all around the world. So the third point is that the eNaira is mandated to be distributed by the Central Bank of Nigeria, the commercial banks, and eNaira merchants. Now, this is where you come in. You come in as an eNaira merchant. The eNaira merchant is you as a person who has been mandated by the Central Bank of Nigeria, given the approval to carry out digital transactions with the currency. So that is basically what you'll be doing as the eNaira merchant. And the eNaira merchant operations can be likened to a POS operator. So it's just like we have POS operators, where you go to with your ATM card to transfer, to withdraw, to deposit, to buy airtime, to check balance and all that. So it is, the operation of a POS operator. It's the same as what you will be asked to do as an eNaira merchant. The only difference is that your own operations will be done digitally. So your own withdrawal, savings, transfer, all that will be in digital format. So that is just the difference between an eNaira merchant and a point of sale operator, POS operator. So how to become an eNaira merchant in Nigeria? How do you become an eNaira merchant in Nigeria? It is a very simple process. All you just have to do is to visit your commercial bank. Now, you cannot apply online to become an eNaira merchant. You have to visit the customer service desk of your bank. Just walk into your bank, locate the customer service section, then tell them you want to apply to become an eNaira merchant. You'll be given a form to fill. So there are questions that they will ask you. You are going to fill the necessary details, your personal details, and some other financial details, important details that the CBN will have to go through before they can approve your application to become an eNaira merchant. So there are some requirements that that you need. There are some things that are required of you to become an eNaira merchant. And for you to become an eNaira merchant, you must have applied and have been approved by the CBN. Now, here below are I will list the informations that are required of you for you to be able to become an eNaira merchant. Number one, your name. Number two, your postal address or email. Number three, your business address. Number four, your telephone number. Number 5, your company registration number or certificate. And number 6, bank verification number. Number 7, your KYC information, know your customer information. So all these things will be explained to you by the customer service representative of your bank when you walk into your bank. So what are the things required of you? What are the services you'll be rendering as an eNaira merchant, and how do you make your own money? Now, then below are I'll list out the services you'll be rendering as an eNaira merchant. Number one, you do eNaira deposit and transfer. Just like I said earlier, that it is almost the same with what is done by a POS operator. So number one is eNaira deposit and transfer. Number two is bills payment, utility bills, taxes, tenement rate, subscriptions, etc. The third is payment of salaries. Number four is balance inquiry, for people to be able to check their balance. Number five is the generation and issuance of mini statement, for people to get their statement of account. Then number six is agent mobile payment, banking services. Number seven is repayment of loan. Number eight, collection of bank mail, correspondence for customers, and any other services mandated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So, doing these services, there will be charges attached to it. So, for every transaction you complete for a customer, you take your own charge. So, that is how you can, become an eNaira merchant. So, those are the things you'll be doing. Those are the services you'll be rendering as an eNaira merchant. More of these will be explained to you when you walk into your bank, be it First Bank, GT, any of the commercial banks in Nigeria. Walk to the customer service desk and tell them you want to apply to be an eNaira merchant. You'll be given the form to fill, and any other details you need will be explained to you right there. And I'll drop the link to the eNaira platform, to the eNaira website in the description box, so that you can click and come to this page to read the details yourself. And you can also download the app on your phone and check out the platform, see everything that need to be known. So this is the platform. I will drop the link in the description box. So please subscribe to this channel for more amazing opportunities.